Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arina Nur. My student ID number is 20400122048. Okay, now I want to talk about the relationship between psycholinguistic and language pedagogy. And I will read the question. There is four questions. The first question is, what do you know of pedagogy and language pedagogy? Explain your answer in detail. So the second is, do you agree with saying the psycholinguistic is an approach? How come? Explain your position with reason and evidences. So the third is, do you agree with saying that psycholinguistic has contribution to language pedagogy? Why? And the last is, what do you know of contribution? Okay, I will answer. Um, the first is pedagogy and language pedagogy. Pedagogy in study of teaching method, including strategy and practice used by educators to facilitate students, the curriculum, and the learning environment. So, language pedagogy is a specific branch focused on teaching language, addressing both theoretical and practical aspects to help students acquire uh, proficiency in a new language. So, the second is psycholinguistic as an approach. Yes, psycholinguistic in approach. It uh, I repeat once. Uh, yes, I agree that psycholinguistic is an approach. Psycholinguistic is branch of study that explore the connection between language and the mind, including how language is produced, understood, and acquired. It provides theoretical framework that can guide language teaching and learning practice. So my reason is psycholinguistic focuses on how language is processed in the brain, which inform language learning method. It examines cognitive process like memory, perception, and attention, which directly influence language acquisition. So, evidence psycholinguistic theories such as those by Noam Chomsky and Stephen Kresen support the idea that language acquisition is an innate process and that input and cognitive development are essential for learning language. These theories have shaped language teaching method, making psycholinguistic a fundamental approach to language pedagogy. So the third is um, my answer is yes. I agree that psycholinguistics contributes significantly to language pedagogy. Because psycholinguistics provide insight into how the brain processes language, which has a direct implication for teaching practice. So my reason is psycholinguistics has influenced the development of language teaching methods such as the total cycle response or TPR method, which relies on cognitive process like memory and perception. So the fourth is contribution. Contribution refers to adding valuable knowledge or insight to a file. In language pedagogy, contributions include new teaching methods, theories of language acquisition, or practical tools that improve teaching and learning. Psycholinguistics has contributed by offering a better understanding of language acquisition process, influencing language teaching strategies. Okay, maybe enough until there. At last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.